Hello guys, today I will show you how to faster your phone in just 2 minutes. I will show you 5 tips. Just follow. Go to dial pad and type this and delete dumpster and locket. It will delete all your temporary file. It works only for Samsung phone. Next tip is go to setting, clear all not unnecessary apps. There are some hidden apps, but here all the apps will be shown down, so delete it. Like browser, it is taking 1 GB. I don't play it that much. Now it's clear. You can also sort files by size here. That's it. The next tips is clear internal storage. Sometimes RAM takes place in internal storage, so you have to clear it as much as possible. Clear it. I already cleared it, so nothing to clear here. 44 GB used and almost 20 GB is empty. That's enough. Now next tip is to clear YouTube downloaded videos. YouTube videos are taking too much space nowadays, so you have to delete it after you have watched YouTube downloaded videos. It will also help to improve your storage and mobile make mobile faster. And the next part is to update your phone regularly. So if you are OnePlus and iPhone user, don't follow these tips. And if you are Xiaomi or Samsung user, follow this tip. It will make your phone secure and more faster.